Have you ever wondered how we keep our power systems running smoothly? The power grid is a transport network that delivers electricity from producers to consumers, balancing supply and demand in real time. But what happens when demand exceeds supply? This is where curtailment comes in. Curtailment is the practice of reducing energy use during peak demand to prevent brownouts and maintain grid stability. To use curtailment, utility providers need to find demand responders. Bitcoin miners are the most efficient demand responders. They can quickly react to grid needs with a high level of granularity and availability. Curtailment improves the strength of the grid and secures favorable energy contracts and power credits for miners. Curtailing is a little-known service that Bitcoin miners have up their sleeve. Bitcoin miners may even be the key piece to obtaining full energy utilization of our planet. For more information on Bitcoin mining, be sure to check out our website at simplemining.io.